Imagine waking up and your smartwatch has already analyzed your sleep and tells you that you had a restless night. Before you even get out of bed, it suggests a light stretching routine and a glass of water because it detected mild dehydration. Later that day, your AI health companion reminds you to take your medication, check your steps, and even suggest when to rest. This is not a scene from a futuristic movie. This is happening right now in 2025. Artificial intelligence has quietly become part of everyday life. It is tracking our health, analyzing our data, and helping millions of people stay informed about their well-being. But there is a problem. There are thousands of AI health apps out there, and not all of them are helpful or accurate. Some are incredible tools that can truly improve your life. Others are little more than digital noise. In this video, I will show you the 5 apps that actually work. Apps that I have reviewed and tested as a practicing family physician. I will explain what each one does, how it helps, and why it matters. And make sure you stay to the end because number 1 is the app I personally developed for patients just like you. Coming up, 5 AI health apps that truly help. I am Dr. Saab, a board-certified family physician with over 4 decades of experience practicing telemedicine across all 50 states. I have seen firsthand how patients are turning to technology to manage their health. On my channel, My AI Doctor, I help you use AI safely and responsibly to improve your health, make smarter choices, and avoid misinformation. Every app I mentioned today has practical value. None of these are paid promotions. These are tools I recommend to patients because they genuinely help. This is My AI Doctor. Welcome to the channel. Healthcare today can feel overwhelming. Appointments are shorter, clinics are busier, and access to specialists is harder than ever. Many people try to fill the gap by searching their symptoms online, but most of what they find is confusing or alarmist. Artificial intelligence is starting to change that. AI allows you to collect data from your own body, interpret it instantly, and even identify potential problems early. It helps you organize your thoughts before you talk to your doctor. It reminds you of small daily habits that have a huge impact over time. The best part is that the most helpful AI tools are not meant to replace your physician. They are meant to help you become a more informed and empowered partner in your own care. So let us count down the 5 that stand out in 2025 for being accurate, trustworthy, and easy to use. Now, the top 5 begins. Here are the top 5 AI health apps that truly make a difference for real people. We will start at number 5 and work our way to number 1, the one I am most excited to share, starting the countdown at number 5. Number 5 on our list is Ada Health. Ada is one of the most advanced AI-powered symptom checkers in the world. You open the app and describe what you are feeling. It might ask, are your symptoms worse in the morning or evening, or have you recently traveled? It continues asking personalized follow-up questions that change based on your answers. Behind the scenes, Ada compares your responses to a vast medical knowledge base that covers more than 10,000 conditions and millions of previous assessments. The goal is not to give you a diagnosis, but to help you understand whether your symptoms seem mild, moderate, or serious. For example, if someone reports fatigue and shortness of breath, Ada might suggest possible causes like anemia or asthma, and then recommend whether to rest, seek urgent care, or schedule a regular doctor visit. I have found that patients who use Ada come into appointments better prepared. They describe their symptoms more clearly and have already ruled out unrelated issues. That makes the visit more efficient and less stressful. Doctor Insight. Ada is a great first step before any appointment. Think of it as your personal health interviewer that organizes your story before you see your clinician. Now, number 4, Wobot. Number 4 is Wobot, a mental health companion that focuses on emotional well-being. Mental health is often overlooked, yet it affects everything including your sleep, energy, focus, and even physical health. Wobot uses conversational AI to deliver cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, which is one of the most effective forms of therapy used by professionals. You chat with Wobot like you would text a friend. It listens, responds with empathy, and gently challenges negative thinking. It might say what evidence supports that thought, or let us look at a more balanced way to see the situation. The conversations are brief, just a few minutes a day, but they help you build healthy mental habits. Over time, you start catching negative thoughts faster and replacing them with more realistic ones. What makes Wobot stand out is its privacy and accessibility. There is no waiting room, no judgment, and no scheduling. For people who are between therapy sessions or live in areas without easy access to mental health professionals, Wobot can be a life-changing supplement. Dr. Insight, mental health is not a luxury. Small daily emotional check-ins like this help prevent bigger crises later. Even a few minutes of guided reflection can improve your overall health. Wobot supports daily emotional check-ins privately. Number 3 is MySugar, a powerful AI-driven app designed for people with diabetes. If you have diabetes, you already know that managing blood sugar is a full-time job. There are meals to log, readings to record, medications to remember, and patterns to recognize. MySugar simplifies all of that. It connects directly to most glucose meters, automatically imports your data, and then analyzes trends. The AI studies how your numbers change throughout the day and predicts when your glucose might spike or drop. The app turns self-care into a game. It gives you gentle feedback like, "Great job keeping your levels steady today," or "Try a little more water after your afternoon snack." It also rewards you with points for consistency, turning something tedious into something motivating. One of the best features is the ability to share detailed reports with your doctor. Those reports make it much easier for us to adjust treatment because we can see how food, stress, or sleep affect your readings over time. Dr. Insight, MySugar does not replace professional guidance. It makes diabetes management easier by revealing patterns that would otherwise take weeks to notice manually. Number 3, MySugar for diabetes management. Number 2 is Cardiogram, one of the most innovative apps for heart health. Cardiogram connects to your smartwatch and continuously monitors your heart rhythm. It uses AI trained on millions of real ECG readings to detect subtle irregularities that most people would never feel. It can recognize early signs of atrial fibrillation, abnormal stress responses, or even sleep apnea. The key is early detection. By identifying irregular patterns before symptoms appear, Cardiogram can give you a valuable head start on diagnosis and prevention. I have had several patients who received a notification from Cardiogram, followed up with a doctor, and discovered a rhythm disorder early enough to treat before it caused complications. It is not a diagnostic tool, but a proactive alert system. The data it gathers also helps users understand how daily factors like caffeine, exercise, or lack of sleep influence heart rhythm. Dr. Insight, technology should give you time, not fear. When used responsibly, tools like Cardiogram can literally save lives by catching warning signs while they are still reversible. Number 2, Cardiogram for early heart insights. And now for number 1, My AI Doctor, an educational AI health assistant that I created for patients everywhere. I developed My AI Doctor because I saw a gap. Patients wanted to understand their symptoms but were overwhelmed by unreliable search results. My AI Doctor fills that gap safely and privately. You simply type or speak your symptoms. For example, you might say, "I have a sore throat and fatigue for 3 days." The app generates a clear, easy-to-read summary. It lists possible explanations, over-the-counter remedies that may help, and red flag symptoms that mean it is time to see a doctor. It does not diagnose and it does not replace medical care. Instead, it educates and prepares you. By the time you see your doctor, you will have a concise summary of your symptoms, their duration, what makes them better or worse, and what you have already tried. That saves time and helps your physician focus on the most relevant details. The app also emphasizes privacy. No personal data is stored, no accounts are required, and your information never leaves your device. My AI Doctor is designed to make you an informed, confident patient. It is there when you are worried late at night, when you need quick education before an appointment, or when you simply want to understand your body better. Dr. Insight, information is power. The more you understand your health, the more effective your care becomes. My AI Doctor was built to give you that power safely. Try My AI Doctor to summarize symptoms clearly, Let us review the 5 AI apps that are transforming personal health in 2025. Number 5, Ada Health, the smart symptom organizer that helps you understand your body's signals. Number 4, Wobot, your 24-hour mental health coach. Number 3, MySugar, the friendly diabetes companion that predicts and tracks your glucose patterns. Number 2, Cardiogram, the AI heart monitor that can detect trouble early. And number 1, My AI Doctor, a private educational assistant created by a physician to help you make informed health choices every day. These apps prove that AI is not about replacing human doctors. It is about giving you more tools, more clarity, and more confidence between visits. Used wisely, they can help you prevent illness, track progress, and stay proactive rather than reactive. Up next, how to get started. If you would like to try My AI Doctor yourself, go to appmyaidoctor.ai. It is completely free and takes less than a minute to get your personalized symptom summary. Remember, AI is a tool for learning, not a substitute for real medical care. Always follow up with your physician if your symptoms are severe or persistent. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to My AI Doctor, click the like button, and share it with someone who wants to use AI safely to improve their health. And make sure you watch my next video, where I will take you inside the world of AI symptom checkers to show how they actually think, how they weigh your answers, and how close they are getting to real clinical reasoning. Thank you for watching, and remember, smart health starts with knowledge. Try it today.